Hello everyone, how are you? I already have on my foundation today, and I was just going to show you a quick eye that I did this past week, and I loved it. And it's only one color and some concealer, so I'm going to show you. First I'm going to do my eyebrows. Remember, when I do my eyebrows, I don't go down, I go out, so that they don't pull down my face, you know? If you want to join my team, you can go to makeupwithmarty.com. My sponsor code is 004253. I say this because I get messages all the time from YouTube. Now, I will put it in the description of the live, because you can join for $19.99 and get all your products for 50% off, and you're not required to sell. So it's a win-win. And if you want additional details, there's no additional fees or charges, so it's incredible. I mean, this is what I do for a living, guys. Don't you want to join me? It's fun. I mean, really. Okay. Now I'm going to put on a little bit of our eyeshadow primer. I think this is $10.90 retail. It is phenomenal. If you don't have it, you need it. Your eyeshadows will look better. They go on better, they look better, and they stay all day long. Now remember, I have hooded, crinkly skinned eyes. So I go up and down, I don't go across. And I'm gonna show you why. To make sure I get every little bit of that eye covered. Because see, if I go like this, do you see how that skips? No, we don't want that, no. So, here we go. I'm gonna be doing some quilting lives, but decided, there were gonna be lives. I've decided to do them as videos because it's just so hard with the camera angles I have to get. So I'm gonna upload those here too. So if any of you wanna try quilting, you know, you can. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. And look, there are a few rules, but here's the thing. As long as the quilt's sewn together, it doesn't have to be perfect. So don't think you can't do it because you can't do it perfectly, okay? Because at the end of the day, what matters is not perfection, but that it's finished, okay? And then when it's finished, you'll use it. And you won't look at every little stitch, I promise you, okay? Even though I am kind of funny about my own quilts, but I think people get so wound up in that they don't get the quilts done, or they just don't do it. Now I'm putting just a little bit of our transparent powder right on my eyebrows, and that looks pretty good. The brows aren't perfect, but it's okay because I just really want to show you this eye look. Well, it's actually two colors. I take that back. This is our Glam Up palette. If you don't have it, you want it, you can get it at makeupwithmarty.com. It's so good. And like I said, we know I have hooded crepey eyelids. So what am I doing again? I'm going in at the top or at the bottom or the top and working my way down. And just making sure that I'm covering all of that lid space. Okay? Let's see what I don't like. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to take this light color right here. It's called Dusty Rose. And watch this. It's so pretty. I'm going to go into the crease with Dusty Rose. Now this is more of a neutral daytime look, but I wore it that day and I was like, dang, I like that. And I'm just gonna start like building the color up. I put just a little here. And I'm just gonna build that color up. And I'm gonna work it all the way over to the edge, you know, of my, I'm working it all the way to the edge of the inner corner. So this is just a light, but you know, when you're in a hurry and you're going out the door, you just want to look like you got on some makeup, take a lighter shade that's a neutral, like this is called Dusty Rose, as I said, but it's kind of a neutral pinkish color. But it's got a little bit of depth to it. That's the color right there on my hand. But as I build it up, it gets a little darker, okay? I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna try to get more videos on YouTube. I am sorry, guys. I know I'll say I'm doing it and then I don't do it. I get busy on my Facebook page and I'll put the link to that. It's fb.me, find Marty here. M-A-R-T-Y. Because I do my cooking lives and my makeup lives there, but I'm going to eventually do a website that's got some of my stuff on it there, because here's what I know. Facebook and anybody, any of these entities that we're on, they can always say, nope. So y'all need a place to find me, and that website will be martyperry.com. So I'll have that soon. So I'm gonna do a link tree to it. Not that I know what a link tree is. Now, I'm gonna take, well, I told a story, because now I'm gonna take just a tad, like a touch, like a teeny touch, and you don't have to do this. And of the black, just right here, I mean, it's a teeny touch. You don't have to do it. I don't know why I said one color. I guess because I just thought when I did it, and you know, I remember I picked up a brush that had a little bit of black on it, and that's how I got a little bit of depth in the corner. So, you know, I'm not a professional YouTuber, so this is just, you know, for us girls, us mature girls, and us younger girls who are still learning. Because makeup has changed so much since I started wearing it. It's truly an art form now. Okay. Now, Marty, that looks a little wonky. It's okay, because I'm going to fix the wonky, okay? We're going to take our O3 concealer, which is fabulous. And I'm just going to put, I know a lot of the YouTubers do a little here and a little there, a little here and a little at the corner of their eye. There's no rules in makeup, remember. This is my rules. So, I'm just gonna swipe up. This Kabuki brush is in our professional brush collection. It's great. And I'm just gonna swipe up. And you see how that cleans that eye up? And I see that right here, it just needs a tad bit of blending, because it's just a little, got a little dark spot there. So we're just gonna blend that out some. And should you get a tad bit of a dark spot, you can take more of that Dusty Rose color and just lightly blend it. I mean, it's not a big deal. And then I'm gonna take the O3 concealer again. And I guess this is what I liked so much out of this look. And I'm going to place it right here. open that eye up a little bit right there. See how that skipped? So I'll go in and just place it. And then take my finger, tap it out. Okay, and that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna leave the concealer there. And it stays all day, it looks great. Opens up your eye, looks kind of natural without, you know, being too much. Isn't that pretty? And then I'm gonna take our I'm just a regular Nana, you know, our Time Locker spray. I'm gonna spray the brush, and then I'm gonna dip the brush just barely in this black. And I'm gonna create a soft eyeliner with it. Okay. And by using this technique, you kind of, I'm taking just a little tiny brush and I'm just smudging it a little bit to just kind of give a more natural look, because I don't like a sharp line for my jawline to be chiseled. Okay. And I'm just gonna make sure that's cleaned up again. And that's it. And then I'm gonna we'll take our great little tool here. It's our little eyelash curler. And it does a great job at curling the eyelashes, because when you become more mature, your eyelashes want to grow straight out. You know, they just don't have the curl that they used to, like a child's eyelashes have. So I curl them. I don't heat my curling tool. Some people do. If you do, please be careful that it's not too hot and don't burn your eye. I'm going to use one of our #1 selling mascaras. It's our least expensive. It's absolutely fabulous. It is called Zen. It's $8.90. It's a brand new tube. Everybody likes a brand new tube of mascara. I always tap off the end of it. Look down in your mirror. This is a tight lining brush, so it will really extend your lashes well. But the thing I love about this mascara is that it looks so natural. There's no clumping. It's my granddaughter's. She's 13, well, almost 14. It is her favorite mascara out of the line, because she still wants everything to look natural. But you see it's already starting to give me lashes here that look nice and natural. And I love that, especially if I'm not going glam, you know. I'm just not one of those that I want to wear fake eyelashes every day, you know. I wish I did, but I don't. Now look what a pretty little eye that, I mean, I just think that's such a nice little neutral looking eye that it's there, but it's not there. You know what I mean? So it's just a few colors, not just one, but a few. I guess I was just thinking about, really, it's basically just the one with just a little touch of concealer and a little touch of the black. Or you could use brown in the corner if you like brown better. And sometimes I do that. And then I go back and I just build up that outer corner a little to kind of give like that cat eye look. And I'll let you see how these have built up now. This mascara is amazing. Okay, I hope you can see that. All right, let me get this little flake of mascara off. But if you look down, you won't mess up your mascara as much. Now, if you want to really make your eyes pop, we've got a white eyeliner that is $6.90. It's fabulous. You need one. Remember, these are European products out of Turkey. All but a few. Some come from Germany, and some of the eyeshadows are made in China, where most of them are. But only a few of the palettes. The other ones are made in Turkey. But even the palettes follow the European standards, so don't be concerned with that. Look how that makes that eye pop. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do yourself a favor and try that trick, okay? All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up my makeup. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you again really soon. Take care. You can find me at www.makeupwithmarty.com or on my Facebook page, fb.me/findmarty here. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Well, I forgot one little thing, which is it's like the creme de la creme. I got off the video and I was like, whoa, wait a minute. Take your O3 concealer and just put it right up here. And I take it and just smooth outward to give that eyebrow a lifted effect. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, how did I almost forget to show you guys this? Okay. Now we're done. Now I'm just gonna finish up my makeup and get on with the day. Remember, guys, sprinkle a little sparkle where you go, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.